Hi Paige, how are you? I'm great. In your last video you mentioned how you know a lot about animals and I know almost nothing about them, which is true. And I really loved your video because it was so educational and you taught me so much. I especially love the part with the baby animals. I didn't even know that baby animals existed. Babies are so dumb. Seeing you with all those wild animals in a contained environment made me want to go out and experience nature on my own, venture out into the wild and see if I could make it, then document it and share with you what I've learned. So in case you ever find yourself outside, you can take those tips and maybe live. Let's face it though, you probably won't ever be brave enough. But that's okay. Welcome to nature! So right now, we're just gonna find some elements of nature together. These are any basic elements of nature that you can find anywhere. Northern nature, southern nature, western nature. Let's go see what we can find. A tree! An even smaller tree. Look, a little baby tree. Baby things exist in nature too. A big rock. Bugs. The forest is a wild place, and there are many things that you can trip on. So keep your feet. We've come upon a cave and I think there's a troll inside. I think it's sleeping, so if we're quiet, we can go and take a look. The sun is outside, Paige, and it'll burn your skin. Wildlings in their natural habitat. Ancient cave paintings. Well, Paige, now I've shown you pretty much everything you need to know about nature. I'm alive. If I took you into the forest, you'd probably end up alive too. Nature!